The verb aller. Verb to go. Simple present. Présent simple. Go, goes, aller. I go to church on Sundays. I go to church on Sundays. Mwen ale l'église nan dimanche. Mwen ale l'église nan dimanche. You go to the market on Mondays. You go to the market on Mondays. Ou ale nan marché nan lundi. Ou ale nan marché nan lundi. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. Li ale l'école chaque jour. Li ale l'école chaque jour. He goes to work every night. He goes to work every night. Li ale travail chaque soir. Li ale travail chaque soir. It goes to the hall every now and then. It goes to the hall every now and then. Li ale nan troua temps en temps. Li ale nan troua temps en temps. Everyone goes to church on Sundays. Everyone goes to church on Sundays. Tout moun ale l'église nan dimanche. Tout moun ale l'église nan dimanche. Mike goes to church on Sundays. Mike goes to church on Sundays. Mike ale l'église nan dimanche. Mike ale l'église nan dimanche. Celia goes to church on Sundays. Celia goes to church on Sundays. Celia ale l'église nan dimanche. Celia ale l'église nan dimanche. We go to church on Sundays. Nous ale l'église nan dimanche. Nous ale l'église nan dimanche. We go to church on Sundays. You go to church on Sundays. Nous ale l'église nan dimanche. Nous ale l'église nan dimanche. You go to church on Sundays. They go to church on Sundays. They go to church on Sundays. Yo ale l'église nan dimanche. Yo ale l'église nan dimanche. They go to church on Sundays. Mike and Celia go to church on Sundays. Mike ak Celia ale l'église nan dimanche. Mike ak Celia ale l'église nan dimanche. Mike and Celia go to church on Sundays. Present continuous. Présent progressif. Am, is, are going to. Pral. I am going to school soon. M'pral l'école talè. M'pral l'école talè. I'm going to school soon. You are going to work soon. Ou pral travail talè. Ou pral travail talè. You are going to work soon. She is going home soon. Li pral lakay li talè. Li pral lakay li talè. She is going home soon. He is going to the bank soon. Li pral nan bank lan talè. Li pral nan bank lan tale. He is going to the bank soon. It is going to rain soon. Li pral fè la pli tale. Li pral fè la pli tale. It is going to rain soon. Mike is going to the beach soon. Mike pral sou plage la tale. Mike pral sou plage la tale. Mike is going to the beach soon. Celia is going to the movie soon. Celia pral nan sinema tale. Celia pral nan sinema tale. Celia is going to the movie soon. We are going to the game soon. Nou pral nan jouet la tale. Nou pral nan jouet la tale. We are going to the game soon. You are going to bed soon. Nou pral nan kaban tale. Nou pral nan kaban tale. You are going to bed soon. They are going shopping soon. Yo pral shopping tale. Yo pral shopping tale. They are going shopping soon. Mike and Celia are going to the hospital soon. Mike ak Celia pral l'hôpital la tale. Mike ak Celia pral l'hôpital la tale. Mike and Celia are going to the hospital soon. Simple past. Passé simple. Went. Te allé. I went to Denver last week. Mwen te allé Denver semaine passée ya. Mwen te allé Denver semaine passée ya. I went to Denver last week. You went to the beach last year. Ou te allé nan plage la année passée. Ou te allé nan plage la année passée. You went to the beach last year. She went to school yesterday. Li te allé l'école hier. Li te allé l'école hier. She went to school yesterday. He went to church the day before yesterday. Li te allé l'église avant hier. He went to church the day before yesterday. Li te allé l'église avant hier. I went to the park this morning. Mwen te allé nan pak la matin yan. Mwen te allé nan pak la matin yan. I went to the park this morning. Mike went to Miami last Monday. Mike te allé Miami lundi passé ya. Mike te allé Miami lundi passé ya. Mike went to Miami last Monday. Everyone went to the match last week. Everyone went to the match last week. Tout moun te allé nan match la semaine passée ya. Tout moun te allé nan match la semaine passée ya. Everyone went to the match last week. We went to the park last month. We went to the park last month. Nou te allé nan pak la mois passé ya. Nou te allé nan pak la mois passé ya. We went to the park last month. You went to his house last night. You went to his house last night. Ou te allé la kaili yeswa. Ou te allé la kaili yeswa. You went to his house last night. They went to the music festival last year. Yo te allé nan festival musique la année passée ya. Yo te allé nan festival musique la année passée ya. They went to the music festival last year. Simple future, fiti simple. Will go, pral aller, prale. I will go to the meeting. Mwen prale nan renkont lan. Mwen prale nan renkont lan. I will go to the meeting. You will go to the appointment. Ou prale nan rendez-vous a. Ou prale nan rendez-vous a. You will go to the appointment. She will go to the interview. She will go to the interview. Li prale nan interview la. Li prale nan interview la. He will go to the court. He will go to the court. Li prale nan tribunal la. Li prale nan tribunal la. It will go to its nest. It will go to its nest. Li prale nan niche li. Li prale nan niche li. Celia will go to the concert. Celia prale nan concert. Celia prale nan concert. Celia will go to the concert. Mike will go to the event. Mike will go to the event. Mike prale nan événement. Mike prale nan événement. Everyone will go to the training. Everyone will go to the training. Tout moun prale nan entraînement. Tout moun prale nan entraînement. We will go to the show. We will go to the show. Nou prale nan show la. Nou prale nan show la. You will go to the rara. You will go to the rara. Nou prale nan rara. Nou prale nan rara. They will go to the demonstration. Yo prale nan manifestasyon an. Yo prale nan manifestasyon an. They will go to the demonstration. Mike and Celia will go to the rehearsal. Mike and Celia will go to the rehearsal. Mike ak Celia prale nan repetisyon an. Mike ak Celia prale nan repetisyon an. Mike and Celia will go to the rehearsal.